What's going on, YouTube? So welcome to the actual case study. We decided to flip the script. The other account is just taking way too long. So we decided to do the case study on my actual store. So unfortunately, you won't be able to see the actual store unless you join the Discord server. You'll know exactly how we set up our stores. But aside from that, all you got to do is just watch this case study. We're going to be dropping videos day by day, analyzing data and making decisions based on that. So we're launching 3 tests to begin with. Now, usually we're looking for a winner within 10 tests. So even if we don't find a winner within these 3 tests, that's okay. It's not the end of the world. You're not going to nail one right away. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't, right? But that's all part of the game. So without further ado, let's jump into my computer. We're going to set up the campaign on the actual ad account that we've been using that has a $1,900 a day spending limit. So we're going to be good to go to scale if we have to. Okay. So, anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow our channel, and join the Discord, guys. In the Discord, there's Q&A calls, there's an example store, there's the strategy that we use, there's everything that you need. Obviously, you have to upgrade to get access to that information, but right now, the Discord server is so fresh, so new, that you actually get access to the entire team, and it's a great community that we're trying to build, okay? So I appreciate your time, and thanks for tuning in. All right, guys, so here we are. We're in my computer now. At this part of the campaign, I usually just name it really simple. It's eCompound, and then I name it, the name of the product, and then I turn off CBO. I'm just going to test with ABO, and then, we're going to choose our pixel, set the budget, choose Canada, US, leave gender the same, put in the interest. You're good to go. All right, guys, now that we've set up our entire campaign, you can see it right on the left-hand side here. So we've got the name of the campaign. We've got North America, 3 campaigns, right? Zara, Gap, and then the same interests are going to be on the Ducky list. And then you'll see it right here. Now, if you guys want access to exactly how to set this up and you want access to the Ducky list, all you have to do is just join our Discord. That's linked in the description. And then you can upgrade to our premium membership, which is only $49.99. That's probably going to go up July 1st. And then you will be able to see step by step and the metrics that we're going to use to cut off and continue to test. Okay, so at this point, there's really nothing else that we can do. We're just going to set up about 4 of these. We like to test 4 max, and then we're going to see how it spends, and we're going to hope to make some sales and find some winners.